My legs are gonna be huge. Bro, what? No, it's actually a great exercise, but if you want those massive legs and you don't want to get injured, you need to be doing it properly. Do your thing. One of the most important parts is the way you sit up. I want you to put 2 plates behind you and place your hands shoulder width apart. Now, if you want massive legs and don't want a crippled lower back, what I want you to do is brace your core and bring your hips slightly back. The susser the movement, the more growth. Exactly that. One of the key areas for growth when it comes to doing a squat is your feet positioning. I want you shoulder width apart and I want your toes pointing slightly outwards. Mistakes are so easy to make when it comes to doing a squat. So what I don't want you doing is arching your back too much or bringing your chest too far forward or too far back. You see, we're gonna meet in the middle with the sus meter. I want your hips slightly arched, core nice and tight, staying nice and upright, getting a deep stretch before repeating. You've earned to follow.